Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, the renowned former NBA player and activist, is one of the fortunate people who became close to the actor and martial artist. He plans to join Adidas Originals in commemorating his late friend's 85th birthday. In keeping with the Hong Kong American's estate, the Adidas collection features stills from the movie Game of Death. Over 50 years ago, Abdul-Jabbar and his teacher are depicted in black and white on the insoles. A unique shoebox is also used to deliver the commemorative Jabbar Lo. The box features an image of Bruce Lee and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar holding hands, along with the same golden branding as the sneaker. To show the disparities in the men's wingspan and physique, tissue paper forgoes its usual appearance and presents both guys with their arms in a T position. Look at the pictures of the Bruce Lee-themed limited edition Jabbar trainers. Details of the official Adidas.com launch have not yet been revealed, although it is most likely scheduled for November 27, his 85th.